What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to limit WP revisions. What is this? Every single change you made into a post of yours or a page of yours, it's saved and it's present on revisions. You can turn back to a previous version of your page, of your post, but if you do this a lot of times, imagine that you are doing a page and you are customizing it and you do, for example, 50 versions of this page. It can take memory and space on your disk, and this can potentially make your database slower to load. So, how to limit the amount of revisions WordPress can store for free and without coding? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, log into WordPress dashboard. How to access dashboard? Some hosts let you access dashboard from the host dashboard, or if you go to our domain plus WP admin, enter username and email or password, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click into the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see a field called search plugins. Click and type WP revisions control. Scroll down just a little bit. And here is the guy that you are looking for. WP Revisions Control by Eric, okay? This plugin has been updated for a couple of times, but we have tested and it works fine and there is no security problem on it. So you can click on install now. Then you can click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. Here's the one I have installed. Now if you go to settings and up into the submenu writing, scroll down just a little bit, you're gonna be able to see WP revisions control for posts, pages, custom CSS, patterns, templates, parts, styles, templates, and templates. So you have a couple of options and all you have to do is type the amount of revisions you can store right here. Simple, right? After doing your change, all you have to do is hit the save change button. After this, you are good to go and the revisions are now limited. Simple, easy, effective and free without coding. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!